Once upon a time, in a bustling city, lived a little rat named Remy. Unlike other rats, Remy loved to cook. He would watch the human chefs at work, their swift hands and magical creations inspiring him. One night, as Remy walked through an empty kitchen, he saw a recipe book lying open on a table. It was a cookbook from Gusteau's, the finest restaurant in Paris. Remy felt a spark in his heart. He decided to try one of the recipes. With great care, Remy prepared a dish. He chopped, stirred, and seasoned, just like he had seen the chefs do. The aroma that filled the kitchen was delicious. Remy felt a sense of pride and joy. Suddenly, a human chef walked in. Remy quickly hid, frightened. But as the chef tasted the dish, his eyes widened in surprise. "This is incredible," he exclaimed. The chef searched for the creator of the dish, but Remy remained hidden. He didn't want to be caught. But the chef couldn't let such a talented cook go unnoticed. Days passed, and Remy continued to cook amazing dishes at Gusteau's. The customers loved his food, but they didn't know who the secret chef was. Remy was content, cooking in the kitchen of his dream. One day, the head chef found Remy. Instead of being angry, he was impressed. He offered Remy a job, and Remy, with a heart full of joy, accepted. From that day forward, Remy was known as the best chef in Paris, and he lived happily ever after, cooking delicious meals for everyone. The end.